fish on. Oh, okay. All right.
There's one. Got it. Decent. That's a good fish, bro. Let's go, dude. First fish of the day, bro. It's a donkey. Best 5 for the day. Definitely the kicker. A bunch of squeaks, putting them back. Safe and sound.
Safe and sound.
Rigging the twigs while Millie is licking cheese off my boat deck. Day 3 on the big bass hunt. Going to a new lake tomorrow. Fresh start. Fresh fluorocarbon, fresh hooks, fresh everything. And we just need big fish. We want something that's north of 6, north of 7, north of 8. Do I dare even say we want a double digit? We want a 10. We've just about got everything completely dialed. We're gonna cut some Z's, get some rest, and we'll meet you guys bright and breezy in the morning. Stick with it, stay tuned, and let's have a day. Nice. They're eating, looks like they're eating, what is that, green pumpkin, or is that motor oil? Motor oil swim baits. Nice. One great way to tell what the fish are biting on is just to scurry around the parking lot and see what baits are just lying there. Good morning from Texas. The crew is here. We filmed yesterday. I'll just summarize the whole day in one clip. Oh. Jesus. Dude, that would have pissed me off. Thanks. I mean, I guess thanks. We caught one fish, or I guess Grant caught a few there at the end, but we had an accumulative best 5 for 3 pounds, maybe?
Sounds about right.
So 5 fish for 3 pounds is pretty wicked. But today's a new day, fresh start, and we've got none other than the Cole Burford on the boat. But anyway, we've got a couple of hammers on the boat and myself, and we are gonna try to bust it open today. Gonna try to crank some fish, gonna try to get 5 big bites. It's springtime, the water temp's 50. Might run some creeks, might run some main lake stuff. All I know is I'm itching for a giant. Ever since that 7 in the last video, I've been hungry for another bite. So we're just getting past the no wake buoys, and we'll meet you guys at the spot. It's moving a bit too.
Yeah. Huh?
I said we're gonna fish this pretty quick. Not liking what I'm seeing already. Come on.
Nice.
No way. Good one. Oh God, good one. Good one. Get him, dog. Get him, dog. There we go. Reel them all the way to the tip.
Oh.
Holy shit, they're in here. There we have it, boys. This is the chunk that we needed to get the day started. We are doing something I have literally zero confidence in. Usually when I come back to this spot, I am like full-fledged fishing mode, but the water is down by like almost 5 feet. This was probably completely frozen 2 weeks ago, and there's literally bass up here. That's
nice
about
ones too.
About a 4-pounder, yeah. So this is a really good sign.
Thick.
On the bladed jig. Let's go, baby. That's dirty. Box them.
What are we doing?
About 2 7s here. No, 2 7s, a 6 here, an 8 there. You know people aren't coming up here too because how low it's been. What the? I'm sorry, I'm like, my mind's melted. Definitely be pitching up like right up in there. That's kind of where the creek channel is. Yeah, like up on that bank. Another one. Oh my God, I just got sat on, dude.
Where is he?
He's down there. Oh my God. They love to follow it all the way up to the boat too. Perk was standing on this.
This is actually where he went fishing?
Yeah. Well, that's not where he caught him, but he ice fished this. I know, dude. You understand why I'm like...
kind of smart.
Yeah, I mean it is, because if they don't leave, then...
And plus, you can essentially catch a
giant. Yeah, try it, maybe. In like a different color, like a slightly different color. With a different trailer or something.
Where at?
Well, where all the hard trays are at. On? Yep. Dude, okay. Good one. Dude, that's a good one. Come on, please be giant. Please be giant. Oh, ooh, let's go, baby. Come on. Keep it thin. Oh, it's a nice one, bro. It's a good fish. It's a good dude. It's giant. It's giant. It's giant. Bring him over here. You got this, dude. You got this. You got this. God, it's so big. Yes! That's why we came here, dude. How big? Let's go! That's big, dude. That's big. Told you. Told you.
Hell yeah.
That's why I was up till 2 a.m. rigging rods. Let's get a weight real quick before she spits anything out.
Yeah.
Let me hold that fish up.
I've never been so happy.
That
is a...
We've been grinding, and that is worth it. Boom. God, if he had the length, that'd be like scary big. High sevens. 7, 4,
7.5.
7.5 pounder. Yeah. Put her in the box. That's an unreal fish, dude. That is a wait, hang on.
That's a butterball, man. Butterball.
Yes, let's go, baby. Unreal. What just happened, you guys? Made my whole day. Grant and I have been grinding North Texas for the past 3 days, and it's been tough, but that fish was worth it. The dimensions on that fish, I guarantee the girth is longer than the actual length of that bass.
Literally.
Oh, my heart is pounding, dude. Get ready.
Dude, he felt like a dink when I first hooked him.
Really? That is so good to know they're up here. Plump. I just wonder if that fish lives here year round or if he just booked it up here.
Dude, that thing is full of gizzards.
Eggs too, I reckon.
Eggs?
Yes, 150%. Dude, I'm telling you, they were spawning. There was a few fish up here and they were all big and they were spawning this time of year. I don't know if they're actually successfully doing it, but they were loaded with eggs. They don't have to be inseminated.
Yeah.
They just load up with eggs randomly. Got a little cooler back here, actually. It's like 53 now. Is it worth going up still, or?
It's 4 foot right here. This is dirty for them.
Usually this is the clarity back there.
Yeah.
Also too, this time last year, Peric had to take a poop or something, and I parked the boat and walked all the way back there, and there was a 5 and a 2 on a bed. And we knocked them both. Literally look for beds too. I mean.
No shot, dude. Yeah.
Yes, shot.
There's a big shot.
There's a huge shot.
He's probably the best fisherman ever.
Yep. On? Yep. On chatterbait? Good one?
Yeah.
Seriously? No. Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my God! I got it. Oh my God. Come around this way. Dude, we are doing okay. We are doing okay. We are doing okay.
Dude, let's go. What is this one?
Dude, what is going on right now? Look at the head. Cole, hold that fish. Look at the head. Oh, we are having a mega day out here.
Long fish.
Boys, this is kooky.
Look at his mouth. He's been munching
craws.
Dude, imagine if this one had that belly.
I am in shock right now. Cole with the 3rd fish today, and it is a behemoth, dude.
Man. Big.
These fish are just big. What's insane is Peric was ice fishing this. 2 weeks ago, he was standing on 2 inches of ice, and we are catching them shallow. How's that feel? That's all you wanted, right? This coming back from. Oh, this is so sick. I'm so glad you're getting to see like what it's actually.
Yeah. Now I get it. I get it. This is like that's the reason why John love this play.
What are you looking for? Hooks? Dude, I was surprised. I've never really thrown moving baits this far up.
And then feeling that first hit.
So cool to see him come up too, like, because the water's a lot clearer. Well, we did it. We got 3 big bites, mine being the smallest, and it was like a 4-pounder, so that's definitely saying a lot. It was kind of a roll the dice scenario coming out here. It was either gonna be really good or really bad. It's only 12 right now, and the water is still heating up. We got 51 out in the main lake and about 56 all the way back of the creek. Sorry, I wasn't talking too much on the GoPro just because I was focused. That's one of my favorite spots ever, and I just was laser focused in on the bite. Looks like these boys probably were a little more focused than me, but we have 3 very big fish and we're looking for 2 more. Our goal is to get over like 25 pounds, and I think we can do it if we just got to keep fishing hard. But yeah, all those fish came on chartreuse and white bladed jig with a swim bait. And we're just slow rolling it, creeping it. Those fish are staged up, getting ready to spawn, even though it's super early. We're still thinking of doing the baby making. So, anything you want to add, pit viper guy?
Man, no.
No.
I don't.
Said it all.
Yeah.
What about you?
I always catch the biggest fish in the boat.
I knew he was gonna say something corny like that. Well, it's not done yet, okay? I'm actually going over 1 foot point right now. I'm probably gonna bottom out here in a second. All right, spot number 2, creek number 2. Changing things up a little bit. I'm gonna throw the zinger around. The blades weren't really doing it for me, even though it's caught all the fish. So I just want to kind of change something up. I think if we all throw blades, it's not super effective.
A chatter? Yeah.
So we got Cole throwing a chatter. I'm throwing the zinger.
I was thinking about throwing a spinner too.
Do it. Do it to it.
Get her done.
Get her down. Oh, look at that shad. Look at that shad. The thing's about to get clapped.
Where?
It was just right. It came up right there as a little tiny. Right there. It's on the surface. Bro.
Oh, yeah. What are they doing?
I want to see that thing get.
So warm.
I want to see that thing get popped, dude. It's the best. I'm on. I don't think it's huge. No, he's not big, that's a fish. Oh, take it though. Oh, no way.
Oh,
that's probably where you get hit by.
What...
No way. Well, 'tis the season for spring. Little white bass, actually, it's a pretty good white bass, are up shallow eating shad. This creek is a lot warmer than the first one we fished, and it is thick with shad. Look at all those shad. I reckon some of those are probably white bass too. My first white bass of the season. Not a bad one too. These guys always come out to play when you throw shad pattern baits. Oh my God, that was a grueling last 4 hours, 3 hours.
Start over.
You were peeing?
Yeah.
Your dick was out? Nice. Didn't even get another fish. Barely even got a bite, maybe missed a few. But we're gonna end the day in this creek, put these fish back where we caught them because they're up here doing something very specific, that is spawning. Just gonna grab a few pictures because this is a great memory and we wanna savor it, film it for you guys, and also get it on, what am I trying to say? Oh, I'm fried. Very wiped. I think now we're gonna grab some pictures of these fish. Do I get to hold your 7?
Yeah.
Please?
Yeah, you can.
Thanks, bro, I appreciate that. Let's get one last look at this guy before we get the pictures and throw him back. That is, hold on, that right there is the big bass of the day. And there's Cole's. Jesus, y'all hammered them today. Mine is little, I'm not even gonna show you mine. There she goes. All right, see you, buddy. Thank you so much for eating the chatterbait. There she goes. Good day, boys.
Nice. Awesome.
Major crush. Oh, there you are. Wow, Cole is back from Lubbock, Texas. How was West Texas? What did you do there? Shot birds, hunted cranes. Anyway, Cole's back. You've been back for like a week now, week and a half?
Yeah.
Oh, I already filmed with you. This is not as exciting. Yeah. For some reason, I'm thinking this is the first time you've been back on the channel, but it's not.
Your intro to me last time was weak. So
it was
this is
weak.
Making up.
I was just like, hey man, what's going on? Anyway, this is the full return of the Cole Burford. We're heading to the Juice, the spot. We're gonna meet up with Jerry, who films for Guggen and does a lot of work with us. So it's bright and breezy in the morning. We're on the way to Chick-fil-A right now, as we always do. Got to get some Chick-fil-A before we go crush some bass, and we'll meet you guys out in the drink. Stick with us, stay tuned, and let's go crank them.
Can't wait to watch this thing slide off the trailer.
Here we are. We've made it. We're out on the water. Good things are happening. It's absolutely calm as can be. We've got Jerry right here, who grew up in New York your whole life?
Yep.
He's lived his whole life in New York, and his biggest bass is 5 pounds. My biggest bass, growing up in the Midwest, since I moved to Texas, was about 5 pounds, 6 pounds too. I never really weighed my biggest in Illinois, but We're gonna try to get him on his biggest fish today, while also catching my biggest fish today, and then maybe Cole's biggest fish today. What do we have to be for you? 10 something?
10.5, I think.
So 10.5 pounds. My biggest is 9 something, but I don't count that. I count like an 8.4 that I caught last year in Texas. I'm just gonna shut up. We're gonna get after it. See if we go crank them. Let's do it. Good looks, my guy. Good looks, G. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I wasn't ready for that. That was a giant fish. That's exactly how Rafi described it. Oh my God. I just went so slack then. That is exactly how he described it.
I thought you were joking.
No. My heart's beating out of my chest. Dude, I wasn't even moving it. I was going like this. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That was the biggest bite I've gotten. That reminds me of the bites that we got over there in May. Woo! No, it's got peanuts in it, bro. This is Chick-fil-A fruit, has peanuts in it. Water is a little bit turquoise. It always is about this time of day. So my first 2 bites up here with those like 5.5s, like I'd throw on the bank like this and let it sink a little bit, and I crank like twice, and my rod would go like that, and it was down their throats. They were choking. And then the big 7s were like kind of being iffy about it, but yeah, they were just kind of like running off with it like a jig. All right, I'm gonna do it. I think you boys should come with. I'm gonna go check it out. Go on a little covert ops mission. Oh, come on. Coming in a little hot in there. Alrighty. There literally could be like 1 or 2 fish, but if they're back there, they're gonna be pretty decent size. Hopefully my boat blows away. We're on an adventure. There he is. Damn. I think he's on a bed. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. There he is, I got him. Oh my God, giant. Yep, giant. There's another one with him. Yep, dude, nice one. That was sick. That was so sick, dude. Holy bro. Dude, that was so cool. Look at the size of that fish. That was up, dude. Oh my God. My heart's, there's 2 of them. There was one just as big coming and trying to get it out of his mouth. Oh my God. We went on a little covert ops mission. The boat is back there, and we're fishing a spot that I normally can get to this time of the year, but there's just not enough water in the lake right now. So me, Jerry, and Cole decided to bring some rods and take the battle on feet.
Hey, what do you think? 6.5? 7?
Probably 6, yeah.
I think the fish I caught.
Doesn't it look like the same bass?
I think it's the same bass, dude. It has that same red lips.
I think it might be. We'll have to do some. We think that maybe Cole caught this fish almost a week ago, but I'm not sure. We'll have to go back and look at the pictures. Look at this spot, though. This is the reason why I'm throwing the swim bait. It's just so crystal clear and pristine, and these big fish just get trapped in here. Oh, see ya, Bertha. That was disgusting. I hope the GoPro caught that because it was mayhem, dude. They were just going like wolves for it.